This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use a smartwatch charger. First, identify the specific charging method your smartwatch uses, whether it's a magnetic puck, a wireless pad, or a direct cable connection. Next, ensure your charging cable is compatible with your device. Finally, connect the charger securely to a reliable power source, like a wall adapter or a computer's USB port, before attaching your watch. This ensures a safe and effective charge. Smartwatches often use magnetic charging docks, which simply snap onto the back of your device. Other models might utilize wireless charging pads, requiring you to place the watch flat on the surface. Some older or specialized smartwatches may still use a direct USB-C or micro USB cable connection. Always confirm your watch's specific charging type to ensure you're using the correct accessory for optimal performance and safety. To maximize your smartwatch's battery life, aim to charge it when the power level drops below 20%. It's also crucial to avoid overcharging. Disconnect your device once it reaches 100% to prevent unnecessary wear. Always use the original charger provided with your watch or a certified third-party alternative to ensure safety and maintain battery health over time. If your smartwatch isn't charging, first check for any debris in the charging port or on the magnetic contacts, as even a small obstruction can prevent a connection. Next, verify that your power adapter and charging cable are fully functional by testing them with another device if possible. Finally, try restarting your smartwatch. A simple reboot can often resolve minor software glitches affecting charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.